Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Yeah, DOT is here still in this sideways range. On the larger time frame, this looks a bit like an Elliott wave triangle, or a triangle could be in development. Key support here on the daily chart is the $3.60 level for DOT. I mean, any break below that, especially if it's a sustained break, could send it to completely new lows. And we might even, we might even talk about 80 cents and lower. In terms of Fibonacci targets, this is absolutely reasonable. Yeah, not necessarily to expect this, but I'm watching for it. We should be ready for it, given that the price has so far really not performed well in this cycle. And if you have paid attention to previous updates, then you know that my assumption is that Bitcoin might get one more rally and that's it. And in that rally, for example, the price has the potential to rally in a corrective move up, or even extend this in the white scenario into the blue target zone above between 12.38 and 26.57. But for now, I'm still waiting for a clear signal that even a local low has formed. I mean, the price hasn't even formed any sort of local low. We haven't seen any confirmation that we are at, that we're even moving up, even if it's just the E wave of the triangle there, of this B wave triangle. I think we need to be more patient here at the moment. We wait for clear signals, and let's take a look at the smaller time frame, because it can give us some clarity in the short term there. Here, the price has now formed a very nice and actually healthy wave. Wave 2. So it's entirely possible that what formed here was a wave 1 to the upside, A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. I could also place the B wave here, but then this would have to be a WXY structure. It might even be a triangle with a very, very short E wave at the end, but that's not so important. What is important is that we have a very clearly defined Fibonacci support area. It's between $4.07 and $4.65, and we are currently dealing with maybe the late stages of that C wave. You know, such a correction is typically an ABC structure. Yeah, it can also be a WXY, it can be something different. What is more important than the actual micro count in these corrections is the support area. Okay, and to understand when does the overall bullish thesis fail, which would be below $4, $4.07. So any sustained break below it will likely lead to a test of the next support zone, you could say. I mean, it's sort of the 360 level that I already showed you. What would we need for a first indication that a low is in? I mean, there isn't really a lot of structure in this decline. I would argue we only have 3 waves down at the moment, so it might need another 4-5 pattern in the C wave. These micro counts are not reliable, but just what would look best is this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is what I'm watching on the micro level. And then what we can do as well, we can add resistance, and just I mean, even if we break above that resistance that I'm going to show you, we'd still be in a larger range, but at least we have a level to watch within the range. And what we do is we take the length of the current third wave decline there, and we're going to just add the 50% retracement and the 23.6 and 38.2. So this would be for an internal fourth wave bounce resistance. This is micro resistance to watch between 454 and 476. You might say, what is the benefit of that? It's quite simple. Once we get a break above $4.76, it indicates that the move down is at least not an impulse, or it's finished already, and that the price is trying to form a low. Bulls are trying to make a comeback. That would be early evidence though, and we would need a break above the green line for further confirmation, and that's around $5.30. I say around $5.30 because we have a few previous swing highs where we had some failed breakouts all the way up to $5.40. So we really need a break above this zone between $5.30 and $5.40. Yeah, that's the update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on our main channel, MCO Global, for further insights around, the macro situation, longer time frame analysis, other asset classes, and much more. The link for this channel is in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.